create it, conceptualize it, build it, and field it.
We know we have a very important job to do.
We make sure that everything works.
But we're also a family.
We work in intelligence systems, we work with sensors.
Making sure that you have ships that are mission ready.
Every test and every experiment has to be accurate to within tenths of a degree.
You get the opportunity to do things that haven't necessarily been done before.
If you really want to do something you love, you need to come to WR. Being in the military, I was the end user. I was the person that was using the equipment that we're actually building here. It's incredible that I can continue to serve my country as a civilian because we're building a navigation system to support ships and submarines throughout the United States Navy.
Well, I think we're all patriotic and we want to do the right thing to help the fleet, but we also empathize with the day-to-day struggles that many of these sailors go through because we were there ourselves.
We are the full spectrum. So we have people like me who've been on the deck plates before, who aren't engineers, who are operators. We have technicians who can take just about any electronic component down to parade rest and put it back together again. We do all of that and they all feed into each other.
You know that people really have your back here, and it really starts from the top down. Our CEO, that's one of his key messages to everyone, how important it is to him.
If you want to model and do simulation, do it. You want to do integration, fabrication, do it. You want to go do ship checks, you want to go talk to sailors, you want to spend time on base. They really do let you carve out exactly what you want to make out of this career.
If you want to win the fight, you have to have the best gear, and your gear has to be in good shape. We understand who is at the end of the line, who we are working to support, and what our work does.
We're really bringing military radar into the next generation. We're making over-the-horizon radar viable for the next 30, 40, 50 years.
You get to do what you're passionate about. You get to work on exciting projects, exciting technologies, and at the end of the day, feel like you made an impact to the fleet, to the warfighter, to your country. And that's exciting.